Hello guys, welcome back to Roy's Cooking. What are we gonna cook today, darling?
I'm going to make some smoked turkey neck. So here, I'm get started right here, right now. We're all in the pot. The stove is on. So I'm going to cut these onions. Have you ever had smoked turkey neck?
I think so.
Okay, so we're going to do some today.
Well, you know, everybody cook different,
A
so
little different, yeah. So I'm just cutting up my onions. You see, I have some time over here. We'll put these in here. See that? I have garlic. Smoked turkey neck take a lot of while to cook, so we're gonna just saute these onions and pepper, and then we're gonna put our turkey neck in it. Put it in the pressure cooker for it to cook. So these are frozen bell pepper. After those saute it a little bit so we can get the flavor. Here we have our smoked turkey neck. You see that? I seasoned with a little pepper flake and some parsley. Oh, you can see. See that? You see? Yeah. These are good. They're a little salty, so I'm not going to use any salt at all.
So did you soak it to remove any of the salt?
Yes, I soaked it a little bit to remove some of the salt. I mean, they don't have to well cook, you know.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna add my turkey. Look. I'm not gonna cover because guess what? I don't want it to spring a lot of water because so I'm just gonna leave it open a little bit. Because guess what? I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker.
Okay.
So I just want to sort of get in the flavor of the onion and the garlic.
Oh, so that's why you do it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Remind them what we're cooking again.
Smoked turkey neck.
Okay.
I don't know if a lot of people know about turkey neck, or if they haven't eaten it before. So this is a good opportunity for them to cook these things.
So how long do you allow this to remain like that?
I just want it to get dried on up just a little bit because when I put it in the pressure cooker, I'm gonna add water. So when it is like this, it sucks up all the flavor from the sweet, the bell pepper and the onion and garlic
In time.
and the thyme. Yeah,
So you had cold water, hot water.
hot water. You do not use cold water. That takes away the flavor
Okay.
of the food. So here's next one over here in my hot water.
Okay.
It's already cold. So just give this a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes or so, and then I transfer to the pressure pot.
Okay.
So now it's ready to transfer over to the pressure pot. So we're gonna do that, turn the stove off, and let's do it. All right, so here we go. You want to be careful because you don't want this thing to burn. It's very hot.
What are you gonna add to it now?
I'm gonna add some coconut milk. So this will bring up the flavor. So see, we have a can of coconut milk. So I'm gonna get this right in here. And we're gonna pour our hot water. My smoked turkey is ready, as you can see. So I pour it back into this pot. Where it's more comfortable. Okay. So you can see, you see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna taste to see how spicy or how good it is. Tastes so good. So you know what? I'm going to add some carrots. So as soon as the carrot cooked, then I'm going to add some beans. Can you see that? I cook my beans. I don't use the one in the can. So these beans are very good. Gonna add some.
You're gonna add some parsley.
Some parsley.
Okay.
Parsley flake. And I'm gonna add with some hot pepper. This is not really hot, but it gives it the flavor. A little more, yeah? So that's it.
So what are we gonna do now?
I'm just checking how to see. Look. Oh my. You see how delicious that looks? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
And we have nice gravy. Sometimes if you're cooking and the gravy is not thick enough, you know, you could add a little ketchup.
Okay.
Or you could add a little flour. Do not mix the flour. You just sprinkle on and stir.
Okay.
So you get that nice gravy.
And star.
Yeah. So now the carrot is cooked.
They're gonna add the beans.
Yeah, we're gonna add our beans. The beans are already cooked, so we're not gonna let them get too saggy, mash up, you know.
A break up.
Yeah, break up. You don't want them to get. You just want them to get that nice gravy. Oh my gosh! Look here. You see how beautiful that is?
Wow.
See? Very good, very nice. And the gravy.
Wow.
Yes. So this is going to just simmer.
Is it ready now, or we're gonna wait a little minute?
It is ready. taste.
Wow.
It's so
This
good.
tastes so good.
And guess what happened? We have our beans over there. Not the, string beans and carrots and whatever. That's vegetables. They're cooking.
Okay.
And we have some white rice here.
Okay, so everything is ready now?
Yeah, so everything is ready.
Alright.
Here we have
Okay.
and this is how you make delicious, tasty, smoked turkey neck. Bon appetit! So you want to eat? Let's eat.
Ready to eat.
Let's eat.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below. If you need a recipe, then we can provide that for you. Enjoy!